Welcome back to Pro Monk, your ultimate destination for everything related to smartphones, technology, and the latest innovations in the mobile world. Today, we're going back in time but with a premium twist, as we revisit one of Apple's most iconic devices, the iPhone 6 Pro Max. This device not only set a new standard when it first arrived, but it also marked a turning point in how we began to think about large display smartphones. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into a detailed exploration of what made the iPhone 6 Pro Max a legendary piece of Apple's history. From the very moment you hold the iPhone 6 Pro Max in your hand, you realize that this is not just another phone. Apple designed it with a perfect balance of elegance and simplicity. The sleek aluminum body, the rounded edges, and the premium build quality all work together to give you that signature Apple feel. Even after years, the design still feels modern and sophisticated, reminding us of the timeless philosophy Apple follows. On the front, you get a massive Retina HD display that was a game-changer back in its day. With crisp colors, vibrant brightness, and deep contrast, the screen became a favorite for anyone who loved watching videos, playing games, or simply browsing. Apple focused on making the visual experience immersive, and the iPhone 6 Pro Max delivered that in every possible way. But design and display weren't the only highlights. Apple powered this phone with the A8 chip, which at the time was an engineering marvel. It offered smooth multitasking, lag-free gaming, and efficient performance that made the iPhone 6 Pro Max one of the most powerful smartphones of its generation. Combine this with iOS's smooth optimization, and you had a device that rarely disappointed in daily usage. Now let's talk about one of Apple's strongest points, the camera system. The iPhone 6 Pro Max came with an 8-megapixel iSight camera that changed the way mobile photography was perceived. It wasn't about megapixels alone, but about Apple's image processing and detail quality. Pictures were sharp, natural, and full of life, making the phone an instant favorite for photography lovers. Even the front-facing FaceTime HD camera was a big deal back then, introducing clear selfies and smooth video calls. Another strong highlight of this device was the battery performance. With the larger body, Apple managed to pack in a bigger battery, and users enjoyed extended usage without constantly worrying about charging. Plus, with Apple's efficient software optimization, the iPhone 6 Pro Max easily carried you through a full day of heavy use. And of course, we can't forget the Touch ID fingerprint sensor, which was not just secure but also extremely convenient. It brought a new level of ease to unlocking your phone and making purchases